Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Jasmine if you're new, and today is the second episode in my Halloween series. I'm doing festival looks this year, and this one is a Bratz doll. I'm gonna get into all the details on the outfit, but let's work on the makeup first. I already have my eyebrows done, but I wanted to show you guys I am using some basic colors from this palette. This is the SpongeBob and Hip Dot palette. I am just gonna pack on that pink shade and blend it out with the lighter pink shade right above it. To add more dimension, I'm gonna add this deeper pink shade right below the hot pink. Using a wipe to clean up the eyelid area. This iridescent purple shade on a small detailed brush in my inner corner. This iridescent green with my finger on the eyelid. I decided to reshape the pink in the inner corner area and clean it up with a makeup wipe. Now for the eyeliner. I'll be extending my tear duct to make my eye appear to be larger, so I'm drawing out my liner way further than I normally would. To make my inner tear duct appear larger, I'm going to use this light concealer to fill in this area. Noticing that I needed a little bit more liner in this area, I'm going to wipe the concealer and add a little bit more black. Setting the lower lash line concealer area with this highlighter. Clean up any fallout. And set the black liner with this black shadow. Adding more depth to my lower lash line with these shades and a flat shader brush. I'm back with the full face. Now we are going to set the lower lash line and just go over everything and make sure I didn't get any translucent powder on the shadows. Blending out these two shades on my lower lash line. I won't be adding any mascara to my lower lashes, but I am going to create these three larger lashes right under the lower lash line we created. Now set that with black shadow. And moving on to blush, I'll be using these two shades again to apply blush all over my face. To clean up the blush, I'm going to use a sponge and some powder and set the rest of my face. I'll apply some mascara and lashes off camera. Now for the fun part, applying all the jewels. I ended up just applying 4 on each eye. This is the lip liner Italia in the color Fuchsia, and I'm just going to overline my lips and make them very pouty. And apply this lipstick. This is the ColourPop Jasmin collection. It's a bright pink and perfect for this. Now that the face is beat, I'm going to change, fix my hair, and I'll be right back. Here's the outfit. The top is in a small, it's from Shein. The skirt is a petite medium. The socks are Bratz socks. These are actually from Spencer's. The shoes are my purple Air Force Ones. The earrings are from Spencer's. The rings are from Shein, and the necklace is also from Shein. The necklace does say Bratz on it as well. And the shades are from Shein. I hope you guys enjoyed this video just as much as I enjoyed creating it for you. If you did enjoy it, please share it with your family and friends. Don't forget to subscribe, hit the bell so you're notified of when I upload these videos, and give this video a thumbs up. Thank you so much for watching.